Meaning of garden.
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 Garden. Garden is a noun that describes a piece of land, usually adjacent to a home, that has been cultivated in landscape for growing plants, flowers, vegetables, or other foliage. Gardens can be used for aesthetic purposes, to grow food, or as a way to improve the environment by providing green space. A garden typically contains a variety of plants, arranged in a pleasing fashion, and may also include features such as paths, fountains, or statues. Gardening can be both a hobby and a form of relaxation, allowing people to connect with nature and enjoy the outdoors.